Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Ocean Casino and Resort here in Atlantic City. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. We are on the third floor, room 321. So this is the evacuation plan. Either left or right is the exit door. You have a peephole right here. Modern lock. Nice touch. Door stop. Full size mirror. Let me fix my shirt. There we go. All right, now on my right, let's go straight to the bathroom. Look at this. Look at this. Double, sort of like a vanity sink, double sink. One mirror to my left and another to my right. Ample lighting. Oh, look at that. Such a beauty. Look at this. Let's see. Oh, okay. What do we have here? Complimentary shampoo, skin lotion. What we got here? Conditioner. Oops, what we got here? And body wash. Nice touch. Soap bar. Nice touch. We got a power wall right there. 2 washcloth. Nice touch. I like it. Look at this. Brand new tissue. Housekeeping. I'm doing your job for free. So good though. Waste dispenser. I like it. Ample lighting. Soap bar right here. And your shower rag. Oops. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Standalone shower. Backsplash is nice. Area you could sit down, chill, run the hot water, steam up a little bit. Your soap dish right there, towel, you don't gotta come out. The shower, you could just dry it in the shower. Nice touch. Clean. The knob is right here to my left. Nice touch. Height, ample height. You could fit 2. It depends on your preference. You could even fit 3. Why not? All right. It's nice. All right, we have the toilet separate. You have the painting on the wall. Clean. See that? I like that. All right. Let's close it up. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Now this is where am I? Now this is what I call a bathroom, okay? None of that bathtub / shower going on around here, okay? This is what a bathroom supposed to be, okay? Let's proceed. All right, right across the hall here, you have a closet. Look at that. Motion censored closet. There you go, your sensor for lighting. See, this is what a closet is supposed to be. Ample hangers. You have your ironing board, your iron. If you're winning some cash, put your money here. That's a big space, big safe. Ample drawers. Is it soft close? Let's see. No, it's not. Either or, it's clean. Ample space, ample shelf space. Nice touch. Let's move on to the entertainment section. We have the TV, baseball season, you know, nice size TV. You have your what you call it, ice bucket, about 3 disposable cups. Skip the line and check out faster. That's the info. Ample shelf, ample desk and office space right here. If you decided to take your work, if you have a remote job, just place your laptop right there and you should be okay. What we got here? All right, we have a fridge, mini fridge. Ample shelves. Is not soft close. They need to upgrade that. Every shelf should be soft close. Okay, a little, what's this? A little art. You have, whatchamacallit, a lamp. Nice, cushioned chair. And a swivel. Look at that, and a swivel. Let me see if it's comfy. It's comfortable. It's comfy. All right. You have another cushioned chair. See the outside? I came in at night. I'm not even going to show the outside, but this is your curtain. I'm assuming this is your blackout curtain. Yes, it is. It has like a velour type of material here. Hey. Nice, 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 nice. All right, let's move on. A big nightstand here with an alarm clock and a decent sized lamp. Oh, okay, this is new. This is new style of nightstand. King size bed. Oh, let me not forget. I don't know what's this. I keep forgetting what you call this, but that's a nice addition. It's comfy. All right, king size bed. Nice art on the wall. You have a phone, another lamp, cushioned headboard, and there we go. Carpeted floor. Just this part though, but the bathroom and the whole of the room is, I don't know if this is marble, but you get the idea. So yeah, this is the room. My final thoughts. Now, before I discuss the check-in process, let me discuss the self-parking, okay? Self-parking, it will cost you 15 bucks. But I was informed that once you start an account with Ocean and just show your card, your membership card, to the parking attendant, it will only cost you 5 bucks. But if you don't do it, it will cost you regular price of $15 in self-parking, of course. So let me discuss the check-in process. Now, from the self-parking, you must go to the lobby, hotel lobby, and take the elevator to the 11th floor. That's where the check-in concierge is located. The concierge or the check-in personnel, her name is Amanda, helpful type of person, professional, and made the check-in a breeze and no issue, no problem. She made a phone call, charged a deposit. It seems like most of these hotels are charging deposits now. I don't know why, but yeah, she charged a deposit on my credit card, and the room costs about 98 bucks. It's pretty much under 100 bucks. After taxes, over 100 bucks. But remember, you will get charged a deposit fee. But of course, you'll get that once everything checks out. A-okay. The room is located on the 3rd floor. There's pretty much a security. It's very secure. There's a security. So before you could even take the elevator, you will be met by a security personnel, and you scan your key card. You scan this before you can even go to the elevator. Okay. The room, spacious. Okay, spacious. Compared to these other franchise hotels, I'm not gonna say your name or say their name. This one holds its weight. First and foremost, the rooms, spacious, luxurious feel to it, luxurious look. And what makes it luxurious, first and foremost, the bathroom. And no mildew smell. flat ceilings, no popcorn ceilings. I did not notice any USB charging port, but there's a regular um, plug port here. Um, Carpeted, looks clean, well maintained. Even the lobby. The lobby looks clean, well maintained. There's also a bar at the lobby, get you going before you get to your room or right after you get settled in the room, order a drink or two. Um, yeah, it's this is my first time in Ocean, Atlantic City, first and foremost, and I like it. I like it. No complaint. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.